Okay, FM 101.7.
Lawyer Nana Yaw Osei, a legal practitioner, or a former GJA president, Ashanti region, or a former editor, and I say editor. Was sign a amount for next school or Prempeh College. Now, you didn't know and quickly and come over and send me a here. Council me watching.
Amen. Nanadum, so.
Now, Pumbo called ye.
Nanadum.
Enra, enna yeti se mampani, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, wajinani to me so, Local Government Act Amendment, 2017 Act 940, no so. I revoke the appointments of the appointed members of MDDAs. At the same time, no ne MDCs, ni DCs, no the American Hunina. Now, come away, what's the BB or what? When you ever check a war addition, at the same.
You come it. That's it. Paul said, oh, in fear of cheat. Let me assembly member.
I assembly member. Just so me pa ampa.
2006 to 2014.
Yes.
I mean, a month in when you're presiding member. Into a bar local governance. And it be explained. And I'm on Papa Bia will be too after imagine for Hunay and Quadia before so. Now, I always said local government system we your start here 1988. About a 2 decline prior to 1988. Your local governance in C9 and Sana, about 1992, area started the Fourth Republic, you are going to. Now, again, say, local governance is the top of Bumuan say, a memoir, a month for a deal of Mohad Jim, a woman cinema. And never how a woman a choir, I was here a puzzle, and our puzzle, and we and never how only few or almost in the name. I was on the moon how and I will name the choir puzzle. What are we to get through? The local governance known the tough about a silent here. Now, and maybe I came to take a looting kind. As we share, Mansour the Biafra, I won't hear you. To my brain is you. And you Mansour the Biafra, they come. When the king can walk. To the corona, and Kahawa, a war, they would say Mansour the Biafra, and I gasso. Ana asankare. Na yo ya di fin kan bro mo no. Ujai wo mo a na nkanye no no mo pe. Ibi ana ofe eganan dia asamkan. Ibi a na ofe school actually say wodi issue bro no e kan say issue no bi. Enti sana na etie. And now, this I get a buy. Now, I've been in the say, yeah, queer, you know, you're a young man to phone. And a day 1993 constitution a buy. And I'm rare about local government. Now, local government.
Law, make I say that time. Now, me woman pon, na de mi yan kwan say, Ebra ye yan yet me can crew 4 a bomb na aye electoral area. Na ewo no se bia ye ba be budget inputs no so mo ba assembly a e bia bonkrofo hia community center wo ba jetiase for ehia e bia public toilet wo ba ha ti wo mo ho no e na wo do mo no asem ehye the assemblyman and assembly woman for the area no na what they akoda assembly no na assembly na inputs akọ abam ama abanso atrem e de sampuntu no aba
aletie let us say if you form na eko who will cut a Ebronkonfo de omu ka so omu pɛ no uja omu ade omu pɛ no ɛna wo mu nti sɛ anu yie bi ɛba ana mmoa bi ɛba sɛ nsɛm a ɔmanfoɔ no aka sɛ ehia wɔ mu no ɛna saa deɛ ne ba bɛ yi ano sɛ ɛba saa na kyɛ sɛ ɛyɛ deɛ yɛyɛ si yɛpɛ na yɛnya ɛyɛ deɛ bi ti baabi na na deɛ yɛ ne sɛ mopɛ ɛna monya alba to the international
beti ase pa
ha e dey maintain the two constitution in by e dey buy no papa bo wa ne say assembly no ni pe popol uyi wo mu a ye to abade ma wo mu no a na adwe say obi wo ha kontimi ko gina me nto abama no nso so wo nim die so nkuli a ko assembly be gwa ha what in the board media a cost ho amo manfo a wo ne mansi mu ho no banya emfaso a wo so munya ti ife the constitution no any the local governance act no a yesi o manfani what in the government appointees but instead of the government appointees the president appointed obeyi nipa a omumu assembly na ofamu nchichemu abiasa sani kan oyi wo mu a also ni ehemfo oni akuakua ewo mansimu ho a sabi omukabi a edimu labu o manfo kanko edi sa wo so ansa na kadi sani pa kwa no eyi wo mu etwa so a be re abaye party so or the party for the can you for move by your way or your party ni so be or engineer we or your party ni or your lawyer we or your party ni or your judge we or your party ni or your cleaning ko we say amount ni for ni e sa 80% na from government appointees no adia no mo say or your party ni and also on your party ni ojú meri ní ẹsẹ̀ constituency executive ṣe ẹ̀dùn ọmọkọ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀ká hùlì ntina àpapọ̀ yìí sẹ̀ ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń fonu mpo ẹ̀wọ̀ nìyí bí a president wò yí ìlú no efu supẹ̀ ṣẹ̀ pọ̀ lọ́sọ̀ wò kó fìyè sáà ni ayé nu a bèsí 2016 ẹ̀nà àdé ní kọ́ bá a fẹ́ ẹbí assembly member biara no kwa or term asi e to abama wa kwa so ni say e kom fie nan fie nan no so a wa sa le o man pola police a so say wo no mpeso sa de umba no ma to abade amount
ade amount
na wo a president na appoint wo mo so a ye for government appointees no wo die president ne emran say president na appoint to president must say you must be ho the local government act 462 and we hope for American tin nyano na ya no le wo mu the president bi aba so we afio o bi ntie mi as government appointee and as president appointee you up ho ele usaba na muama jumadi a wo se saa no boa assembly ni any age no cost ye in 2016 no yes on the subscribe realm am party figure ko tie ni
mi ti o pa
na jono conferences workshops training programs ageni ko ye se saa je no e ha dire government appointees no a yi wo mu a adwuma ri ko so a embalance on the ceremony full term 4 years and so when you buy you with your over the years no a hard gene if you yes say nanka president biba o me say abanti government appointees abo hono previous president appointed munko mu dijmako mu nijmako mu de mu so nko 2016 a new local governance act at 736 a buy the buy no to be a president appointee ewa assembly ho na government appointee ewa assembly ho say na president entry ka say the president Senator Oluwajo Mahama Aben entry ka say we assembly member Oluwa Kufuor me yiwo ifi afamu fi ho black ho ko obetumi ayiwa this wa ye nyema bi a ensem fata na assembly no ye chemu miens enan a emu miensa fe wo ana nipa we ni o ma ye we ni a ensem fata if ya assembly no ya to aba say president you fi ho ansa na president betumi ayi ni so na mi papa no ti asira
betu ase pa
aha enti afi emrade mane ko wie say president ni ka say mamba to kenti eyi wa ko say brofumu yesi ma omo stability of tenure you be you cry this one you untie nine no
awie
let us tell maso
na law will say me adwuma wo 3 districts Mampong Bosontwa Atwuma Kwanma district ena mbewie wo Adweso
okay
meti opa
enemy at the far Local Governance Act 2016 Act 936 na edibae that is assembly no free the president bit by two appointees enti Oluwa Mahama APC no nanka appointees or appointee wo no 4 years na be so no Oluwa Kufuor da so wo power na sa be no onu so yi appointees a emrama no kan so oyi ko assembly enti ka wey Oluwa Kufuor da ban ba yi Oluwa Mahama ba yi ko ntimi nka say assembly members na omo appointed by the previous president omo nko won't mean ka bari adentina say oturika yenkwa abakosem Oluwa Kufuor do aban baaye 2017 emra edikan ana eka emra edikan hu eye satraye to the Local Governance Act 2016 na kan wason say a board government appointees who by from the president removing them some time in Soya. And no number such them. February now, no such as I'm running. And now, only a simple and a board government appointees who buy. Why no such them? When the media fellow Local Governance Amendment Act 2017.
Opa ya no system.
Umranwa. We are going to start sharing money by Emra 31st January 2017.
Meba ayi ya to abani December. Eti me fan say enu one month o.
Iti say January mu na say the January mu so no.
Yes, when in 7th January.
Yes.
Eti na otwem yensa.
Na a co-parliament. Who's the section of the co-parliament?
Na co-parliament, okay.
What to be a co-parliament?
Wow.
As Katia Muma, President Sasha here, Mississippi, Local Governance Amendment Act.
Yeah, me will be able to office.
Act 940. Act 940. We are working the Google. President, date of assent. A doubt in Sasha here, 31st January 2017. Yes, I'm running here and I say, as such and runner passing in 2016 Nimua, the board government appointees to Mumbai. Again, yes, sound quoted to the other President Diaba, who are government appointees. In that, what you said, we are Mahama Bang, government appointees, and qua. When I sit there, ani mra ewo ho ele makacho
na ayi law mami umma adi we mami eti ansan na na dankwa kufuado ebedi 2017 se na mra no ma ye ho adwuma to ana se sei
no ma ye dabi enwa dia na waka so ma ye ho adwuma to
amendment na se
dabi
wow
Local Governance Act na nkasa oh say ba ro be kaya na emra kunini a ewo ho o look at say started local governance in 1988 1988 no emra na wo ho ye local government law TNDC law 207
okay
and the kind year and the ba for public ni mu no constitution here say yansanye emra fofo ne mum this time emra no enhwe ni mebi ahuhia ne fanka ho nti sa TNDC law 207 no Local Government Act 462 Local Government Act 1993 Act 462 ebe yi TNDC law 207 ni fi ho nti enu na die ba ya nti ebubu nyina be 2016 over 20 years na Local Government Act na nye use 462 no okay Act 462
yeah
ana ekowie so dabi emra de wo ya ensienu do bi achi no wo be na aha eje ni sei aha wo se nke ni sei na so mra mba kwan ti wonti mi nye o mo se sa no ni nyina no mo ye sa trae no ani emra fofo ba 2016 sa mba fofo le ba 2016 a Virginia Local Governance Act 2016 Act 936 no and now over the years appointees ba no mo ko na say ya bo mo bo no agini ko wie say e ho no ya mo appointees no ho ban anya fe kura no on serve the term on ya term no na onko as a president dey nko fufu akwa o yi o mo ko
101
and that 2016 and na ho for the buy 2017 said the very can and no we hear say baby people are buying say omo and kaya bo mo ban ya government appointees no be mo bi a ho ban ti o ba ka ko satra mra ni mu ya pam government appointees e fi ho
be ba zo
2016 emra no e ma ni ya adwuma eni ya asesemu a owura mahama bai wontin from government appointees
law na saade no amendment na omo ye no na che say amendment no minim bra omo timi ye ya ma within be almost 3 weeks to 1 month omo timi sakra mu e ma president sadin sasha ase
edo kwame amendment no so
oh na so okay
edi o fe mra na do mo di share ha ne say ye be mo ma to aso ana ye mo nto aso no in Yama, President New discussion.
Oh, okay.
Kakaya, who you say, if you never do a Cassia, and Rana Casa de Bonadia, Oman is a son, the dear view. But, sir, President, it not come government assembly members, government appointees. Hong Kong was a try.
Wow.
Indeed. As 941, a year Local Governance Amendment Act. And a man to me, I'm a work with me from government appointees. And no one said, the years of service are there, I am right. And now, to say here, and can I say 2016, the year Juma, a bad government appointees, you can't find your Juma. You could such them. It was one such a man more. That's what the money is, man. So we call Parliament. Okay, that was 169.
169, yeah.
You see, they don't go so many over here. And almost such them. Say, Papa. Say, yes, Papa. They can't such them. And then, say, Papa, they know you. And yes, Papa, they know you. Because maybe in 40 seconds, half one, and the president by your Bomukunsa. Ever the President Mahama Ba, sorry, Wabay. There are woman to quit. So, on our point of view.
Aye.
So, our point of view, no man, when for Suba. So, we so needy, ever. You are proud of President Mahama, because now, government appointee will tell council. When you are Bolivia, unless we got it, government appointees now move you over the floor back. The ancestor wouldn't buy any.
Wow.
It is said, there's a Mahamano, and you're not being said, media may appoint to her. The more before years, I feel your other form of money for father.
But Lord says, I must say, assembly need you, media, because Nipper be all crown. One more committees be so one moody Juma.
I mean, set a unity. Even your home will see a ruby or committee be so, and you may be coso. I found the man. And we are a coso. And finally, one in Tina, again, come back, say, President, me, government appointees, if we will be out of the piano. Yen, you go. Then, when you say, President, if I know you, yes, name, so let you are. What's the name of this? And you know, say, what's why Bonibia, assembly now, Casatra, at Tuaba. Now, Tuaba, Chemunia, a woman, Casse, who are Sabon, and now more my Sabon, Yen, you move vivo. And son, President, I say, assembly, Casse, dia, and yet, the you must be hope. What President Nancasa, and to me, and then in 2 minutes, you will say, or not to what I say, if I believe you, we need government appointees in Fio. And then he decided in Fio. And the year said, this is why you're Bonnie. So tell me, so ya, now when you're Bonnie, and my son being decided so we feel quiet. I mean, but you will be man, I'm out of care, my son, now call. So President being called for and now beside the hours are bar, no dear, and Raman Hokan. Yes, sir. I have gone. 2016, Brano, the bread, President appointed assembly members. And we were by 2017. By 31st January 2017, no one has a child when we say, President Nipano, on what was on par or a pound. Anyway, Sukoso Japanese. It is what appointees are that time.
It's not just one young from Swabia, Marabatu and Diagma.
We are from Swabia and more about you or Diagma. But not in any country.
Wow.
Because now again, we say, we're not what we call. What now, 1 month, 4 hours a day about the presidency were you? I want to do that.
Matilda,
hotel will show it. And then say, maybe assembly members on the Faba. Especially, there for Tuaba, Apuru, and I this year. And our presiding member, who's a new idea, a 3 year community.
Pa.
So, what can I say? A buying for and our president appointees in a air again. Oh, another time, say, you will win now.
Yeah, the Fufraba.
The Fufraba. It is one of women as well, more. So a woman pay as soon as she and all Bentano. A pass to me. But it's answer a year to be a president there. Let him Tina. As a problem to one ever. I didn't see local governance. Young perform the count. And the also can be here. Once a president will use up one. What the new people are about. Before 2016, and ran neighbor. It is about 2017. No, the air can say, young man, you know, Juan San 2016 and ran neighbor. Young man in car. Doesn't far. When you want to, when you want you, when you, young man, woman cow. And Luna, about you say. Ura Mahama Bayi, a young Mara, a war. A Muntina who said, Taxatano, a bar said, assembly members in our uncle.
I see.
One when the year now for Local Governance Act 2016 now. Look at the president will need 2 weeks. And because I'm running one year, start to be a district president in some. The boom was first of about 2017, no, I'm running with the yes, 2016 running a district president in some. 2017 run the success. That's how the man said, you are pretty with me.
But say, Bassa, we pass the city here, and why in democracy in the local governance you?
Oh, we know that. I don't see any family a car who has someone, Sana, Eba, and them. American Local Governance Act 2016. Because everything is open by it. So NBC was MPC was I didn't say, Sadiano and moi. And more mentioning no Eduma and moi. And until 2016, and Mahufona air banner. So, I'm Yemani and the victim say, I didn't a local government there. O Mampani, Umia or war. Sani Manasuma, Yanti. And yen means you. Yanko, you say, we need control Tisa, when you don't bar as government president appointee, you do over. When you're Bonia, the master meaning can say, oh, why you're Bonnie? Near what to about. You was you. It's not all appointee, you know. That's what I you was you. You are president Amania. If the president enter Qatar, any figure. So, let us think at the Abubam Abba. I mean, look at the camera. I mean, the Uganda, I mean, time so ye. If you are not meet here now, okay, not the end say, aha. Okay. The assembly revocation of mandate of a member. I think member no e wo mo hodo ni you go for to abama wo I form elected assembly members and you mo assembly e kan the economy kan the president appoint to wo a itimi you mo fi wo assembly any e kan the economy kan say the section 10 Local Governance Act 2016 in American actually
section 10
yeah Act 936 Section 10, subsection 9. See, the appointment of an appointed member of a district assembly may be revoked by the president. May never president. May be revoked by the president. Upon the recommendation of 3/4 of the members of the district assembly on grounds that the member has 1. Systematically neglected the duties of an appointed member of the district assembly, or 2. Committed acts incompatible with the office as a member of the district assembly for which sufficient evidence is available. The president may make near you if you are. Also, assembly, no. A four who had been say, Yatuaba. According to who sent by, complaints me by, you memory. Yeah, assembly, no. The issue, no. Assembly, Chemuna. A woman say, when you won't feel. And I don't know in Tia. Assembly not to about say, you won't feel. If you are a Duma, our yes, assembly member, no. Or yet, was systematically neglected the duties of an appointed member of the assembly. If you are on yes, Edmund. And now the Subandi, any assembly member now, all you know, and fact, the assembly now are far guinea, after about the president meaningful. And what's that? President being a few, and son of president being a few. How are you talking to you? I say, upon a complaint made of wrongdoing or improper conduct established to be true after investigation by an ad hoc committee of the district assembly. We have a assembly member, we were say. Oh, sir, Yakishum, Yuno, and Pat, Sadian, and the two no crap. And I know crap. Say no crap. Assembly, like I say, you need to and you share. When the system ran and the president appointed assembly members, see why. Also, she assembly whatever. I would say,
yeah, me just say,
assembly can't say, president me, you know, once I appointed him. That was the law in 2016. And no, and as a president came from assembly members, and at 2017, also president me from baby our friend. Into 1 year, such now, there's somebody someone say, president makes me day. On one discretion, Buffalo, that's a discretion. It's just a offer. That's a reality, and the Munko offer. And must be you guys are getting the man and crown cribia. I mean, send your friend today. Now,
and no cry 1 man blank check, the open what trust for.
The common coffee. It is and such about 2016. I'm more local governance in Kanko. I'm what? The Kanko say no. You can be a crank as our government appointee system no crime. And Kenyans such a few because we can't one more officer. But whom we say it has our belief is usefulness. But we are so. Then we are sending you who are a trouble amount. Elected persons in Guam. Mako. Maybe I more call. Yenfa basic qualifications are all that. Yenfa being counted. Me who say be old. And some of the class and trouble amount. We. Men can say be whatever. If you are home. But you show cannot.
Okay, then.
Yeah, who say? Ya trouble. We are over there to be a trouble. Here, ye, sir, 1/3 now. Presidents are pointing you. Here, yes, you are. I think that going forward, because we are not you know. We are no Yagini. Or see, Yaman was it is very okay. You can't say the winning me. We are government appointee. I don't know what I'm doing. What's it?
I was it, Asafu.
Aha. Well, before regional whatever.
Communications.
The government appointee. No, a committee, all by them, share with me. Share in a chairman committee, FNA, Financial Administration Committee. Look at how important yes, here FNA Juma. They see a family. Why are you? And Remuno, as against Nipa the mobile. I remember I'm say mobile Juma Akusi Motem. The Abanasi song, Abanasi sign you. Juma mobile. You see, a Juma at the assembly who has made party 7. The war committee is now Juma. A some come. They say, Kumasi Juma share. There was a assembly committee with who you are, and what party mobile. In fact, the here of man for no. Yep, the Bialia the party mayor. She say, Omoko. Here, Musi wants to see our visitors. Because I can't tell about Montina and some call. Nanka winning in cafe. Yeah, young pony as a president who crowd bar. Appointees never crown. She ever said, there are more car. You are more winning ebi aboso nyensa na dwumadie bi a ɔmo nse kurakura mu no ɔmo ntumi mfa ne nyinaa mmerɛ wieɛ ana aboso nsia ɔmo ntumi mfa ne nyinaa mmerɛ wieɛ ansa na ebi kura president awaba no obeyi nipa foforɔ a wɔyi a kwame nkyɛn no mpo nkanyɛ
ɛyɛ
ɛsɛ sɛ sɛbi yɛyɛ adwuma but ɛnyɛ too much of politics yɛahwɛ ne saa me nkɔfo yɛ mi mi opponent ɛde wɔn baayɛ sɛbi ma baa ho nkɔ na foforɔ so mmra na ɛsɛ wɔn yi ɔfɔwɔ saa no asɛ ɔdeɛ anaa kwame nyɛ saa deɛ ka no
saa ne ɛka no
ɛnɛ yi a anaa naano na wonya power no a wose wobɛyɛ deɛ wopɛ sɛ woyɛ
Okay, FM.
woyɛɛyɛ no na wowura pi sɛ akyina bi na wo nkɔɔfoɔ no a wode wɔn baa hɔ no ɛbɛ afɔto mu kwan bi so ma aka ɔman no anaa aka mansini no ɔntumi wobisa me a mɛka to sɛ saa 2017 nsakyerɛeɛ no ɔmoyɛɛyɛ no
okay
amoa local governments amoa sɛbi ɔma nkɔnsɔlto yie sɛ wohwɛ time no ɔmode bɛyɛɛyɛ no a sɛdɛ waa wɔkae yɛto aba 7 December na wonyanya atumi swear within 7th January by 31st January no assign
3 weeks
3 weeks you can say but you only 3 weeks to work on such a
wow
any apam family members bi na sam na da kwa no na edi ama wo mo so bai na wo hoi ye so mo onko no enti si afani ma yi a me de ni kan say the mama ni abanya e be fa se yama we mo akwachi yen san ko sakira sa amra mu na 2016 ye na wo ko no a mekin kan chewi anya adwuma na na bua assembly mansini kanko no enu na eya robwa nti se yama ya do na after 4 years after the mama kwa san ko 4 years aso a omo so ko asawu ni full term ma irin da bano sa 4 years no so ya the mama ba ko you president ni ba o me twen ma politics no e ka da no na nfi na be saase abi ba to tiase
me ti ase okay
but going forward se sa unko mumra munko wi ye fe gaya so ni ka cho no yan se constitution no any local governance act no na ye masa 30% no ye twam
101.
so obi o ko assembly dia ayo onua na ne manfo ato abama no nkofo obi aye elected people emwa
okay nana ene mame na wase na me senya mpamfa ma pa
yo me da so pa
yes da ase nana ya wo say eye mranimuni legal practitioner na former GJA president na yene no edidi nkomo afa local government no na nura na krata ba bonten se government appointees ene wo mom keka hu nyina no wo mo enko wo mo enko na wo mo ko nanu na lawyer aba be chechi
Okay, FM. 101.7.